is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about empowering people to be able to live their dreams. We do product reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. We provide valuable information to you daily so that we can help you on your path to be able to fully start living your dreams. Remember, knowledge is power only when it's applied. Let's take this journey together because you and I, just like myself, and I know you're out there, you really have dreams and goals that you still want to achieve. So I hope that I will be able to help you accomplish your goals and dreams by providing you valuable information that can help you make good, sound decisions in your business pursuits. Let's take this journey together because you and I all have dreams that we still want to accomplish. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen on YouTube, let's get into today's review. The review that we're doing today is a company called Lyconet. And just to tell you a little bit about this company, we're looking at their corporate website. And Lyconet was founded in Austria in 2003. Its CEO is Herbert Fidel. Their headquarters is based in Switzerland. Now, this company is an international company and it does business in over 40 different countries, including the United States and Canada. Now, their product is a very unique product. They say that they are the world's largest shopping club network. And here on their corporate website, they say they have a strong international shopping community that is growing all the time, providing you with a sturdy basis for your business, countless ways to network and customize all your areas. Lyconet has a huge range of exclusive benefits to help you grow your business and be successful in their network marketing company. Now, this right here is their website, and it is a very informative website, so I will be leaving this link in my description. They say they have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, so if you're interested in doing business overseas and in multiple countries, this might be a company to take a look at. The benefits, they say, of this company is that it has a free launch, flexible time and management. You can work wherever you like, any place you like. You just have to have a internet access. It's work-life balance. It's performance-based compensation. The more you produce, that's how you get paid. Independence in your working style and a potential for financial independence. So I think it's well worth you just taking a look and researching to see what this company is all about. With this company, they have a program called Cashback, and that is basically how the money is being made. It's an online worldwide shopping club, so anywhere in the world where they do business at is stores that you can do your daily shopping from, that you're going to make money from when people use their app to make their purchases. And their app is called Cashback World, so we'll be showing you that later on in this presentation. They say that Lyconet offers a unique career opportunities, professional tools and services, and comprehensive training via their academy. When you visit this website, you're going to get a lot of valuable information, and their compensation plan, it is very, very complicated for me to break down. So what I'm going to do is leave a link for you in the description so you can also visit their website where they have their compensation plan, so you can take a look at that. But one of the things that I see is very attractive, they're having convention this summer in 2020, and you see that Tony Robbins is going to be there. Arnold Schwarzenegger, the Terminator, is going to be there, and Eric Rohr. So they have some elite speakers coming to present and speak on behalf of this company. And also, one of the good things that they have, and they're mentioning about this company, is that it doesn't cost anything to join the company. And I thought that was very attractive, that it doesn't cost anything to join the company. So I'm also going to tell you a little bit about their money making that they have, and it's called Cashback. Okay, this right here, we're looking at their Cashback app. They said that they are in over 40 different countries. They say that they have over 140,000 loyal merchants that you can shop with. And my understanding, the way this works, even no matter where you're at, as long as you can do business in these 140,000 40 countries and these 140,000 merchants, that you have an app that you download on your phone once you become a member of Cashback, and it's free to join. And you go and shop at these stores, and you, if a person who's shopping at the store is somebody who you brought in or introduced to the shopping network, you're going to be able to make a certain percentage off of what they purchased. So it's really a very interesting program. Like they say here, is that for membership is free. You make money on everybody that makes a purchase if they're in your network. So I think this is a really good company to at least take a look at if you're interested in making money online and being able to do business internationally. Now right here, this is their compensation plan, and like I said, it's very complicated. I looked at it, but I couldn't really understand exactly how their compensation plan is broken down. So I'm leaving you this because it looks like they have a unilevel and a binary. I'm not really sure, but I'm leaving you a link in the description so that you can make a good informed decision about this company. But I think it's really good that it doesn't cost anything to join. So that's, to me, is worth taking a look. And it's reported that people are making some good income with this company. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, this is our introduction on Lyconet. I hope that I provided you some good information on this company. If it's something that you're interested in taking a look, like I said, I will be leaving the links that you can take a look at. Usually at this time I give some pros and cons. Now some of the pros is that this is an international company. It doesn't cost anything to join. They're in 40 different countries, and you can do business in over 140,000 merchant locations worldwide. So you are strictly international. You can be able to market your business online. Some of the cons is that it is typically something like a network marketing company. So in all these types of company, if you really want to make money, you're going to have to introduce your company product to a lot of people. But basically, I think it's something well worth you taking a look at. If you're interested, since this is an international company, and learning how to generate leads, I do have a link at the bottom that will tell you how to generate leads for your online business, and also how to market your business on YouTube, because a lot of people who are involved in these online businesses is on YouTube, and this is a good platform for you to be able to market and explain your business. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have found value with this review. If you did get some value with this information I shared with you on this company, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon so you'll know when I'll be releasing my daily reviews. Also, again, if you have any questions, leave them in my comment section because I do reply to all my comments. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the link in the description below and you'll see a couple links that tells you different ways that you can make money online. Well, with that being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out. Again, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that bell icon. Take care, and I look forward to seeing you on my next review.